Understanding the risk factors associated with vitamin B12 deficiency can help you make informed choices that support your overall well-being and prevent complications. Stay vigilant and prioritize your health. It's worth it. Best ways to increase vitamin B12. Practical tips for boosting your intake. Increasing vitamin B12 intake can be straightforward with practical dietary changes and lifestyle adjustments. One of the most effective ways to boost your levels is by incorporating more animal products into your meals. Foods such as lean meats, fish, poultry, eggs, and dairy are rich sources of vitamin B12. If you enjoy cooking, consider adding recipes with these ingredients, such as grilled chicken, fish tacos, or a hearty omelet. For those not strict vegetarians or vegans, including these foods regularly can significantly enhance your vitamin B12 intake. For individuals following a plant-based diet, fortified foods are an excellent alternative. Many plant-based milk products, breakfast cereals, and nutritional yeast are fortified with vitamin B12, making them a valuable addition to your diet. Always check the labels to ensure your products contain adequate amounts of this essential nutrient. In some cases, dietary changes may not be enough to meet your vitamin B12 needs, especially for those at higher risk of deficiency. In such situations, supplements can be a beneficial option. Vitamin B12 supplements come in various forms, including tablets, sublingual, under-the-tongue tablets, and injections. If you suspect a deficiency or have difficulty absorbing nutrients, consult a healthcare provider to determine the best course of action and whether supplements are necessary. Regular checkups are also crucial for monitoring your vitamin B12 levels, mainly if you belong to a high-risk group. Blood tests can help identify deficiencies early, allowing for timely intervention. By staying proactive about your health, you can ensure that your vitamin B12 levels remain within a healthy range. In summary, increasing your vitamin B12 intake can be achieved through dietary changes, fortified foods, and supplements when necessary. Regular monitoring and checkups will help you maintain optimal health and prevent potential deficiencies. Prioritize your well-being by making informed choices about your vitamin B12 intake today. We've explored the critical topic of vitamin B12 deficiency, highlighting its significance for overall health and well-being. Recognizing the symptoms of vitamin B12 deficiency is essential, as early detection can prevent serious health issues. Symptoms such as fatigue, weakness, and neurological problems can significantly impact your daily life, making it crucial to stay informed and attentive to your body's signals. We also discussed actionable steps to improve your vitamin B12 intake. Incorporating more animal products into your diet, such as meat, fish, and dairy, can help boost your levels. For those following a plant-based diet, fortified foods and supplements are excellent alternatives to ensure you're meeting your nutritional needs. Regular checkups with your healthcare provider can further assist in monitoring your vitamin B12 levels, mainly if you belong to a high-risk group. As you reflect on the information shared, consider how to implement these strategies daily. Whether adjusting your diet, exploring fortified options, or scheduling a health checkup, taking proactive steps can improve energy levels and overall health.